Well, hey guys, thanks for joining me today on this nice, sunny, bright, hot July day. I'm just heading over to Ernie's right now. Going to meet up with Ernie and Murray to go do a quick ride around the Sharbot Lake area on a couple of gravel roads that we haven't done yet this year. Some of you may recognize them from videos last year. As you can see, we have not had a lot of rain. The lawns are burnt right out. This is the first time I've been on the KLR since the Calabogie rally, so it's been a few weeks. Next weekend we're heading up to do the Timberland loop. So I ride the Highlands, going up for a couple of days at a cabin for the weekend, and we're going to try our luck at that. Haven't done that one yet. May even try our luck at the Call Your Mom section. All right, hang in there. Intro. Oh.
Alrighty, I think I'm ready.
Get my map loaded up.
Those the new pants, Ernie?
Hey? Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice bend, eh? Right from there to there, both sides.
Yeah.
I like them.
Okay. First stop, Love Road. It's right up here, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Right here at the end of
Right
the guardrail.
Woo. Uh-oh. Rock?
Yeah. I'm in the other track.
Oh.
Down one. Oh.
I'm gonna switch over too. There's a stick pointing out here.
Sat down at the wrong time there and got the seat coming up at me. Little slap on the nuts to wake you up.
Some people pay for that. Ooh, had a big rock come up and hit my my rock guard. Somebody else did too. I heard that one.
Yeah, that was a front tire caught that one, flicked it. Give you a little space heading down here.
I'm giving you a lot of space.
I see that, Murray. Nice of you, nice of you.
He's been watching the videos and learning from our mistakes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you know, I learned from my own mistakes.
It's only funny on the videos when somebody's down and another guy piles into him. Yeah, I'd say this is more fun going down.
Go to the left. There's a tree down on the right.
Okay.
Yeah, that's definitely better going.
Oh.
I know what section he's at.
A bit of a drop off. I'm here.
Okay.
So the seal on the chain, is that your Triumph?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, f***ing thing.
Don't cheap out on chains, buddy.
Nope. I bought a 2-pack of them and they are junk. Never again. DID.
Yeah.
I was saying to Jeff, I don't know what's on this bike. It was on it when I got it. It could even be the original.
Huh?
But it seems to be really good.
I have a EK chain on this one.
Yeah,
Which,
that's usually what I use too, which is kind of middle of the road, right?
yeah, from what I've read, they're not quite DID standard, but the price is pretty good.
The EK chains, like I've got about 10K on this one.
Yeah.
It's just starting to slightly kink a bit. Nothing crazy, which isn't too bad, I guess,
Yeah.
for 10K. So I bought a little USB stick that I can plug micro SD cards into.
Oh, yeah?
Be a little easier to...
Oh, I've got one of those at work, I think, that I bought one time.
Yeah.
I think I bought it with the camera that I did have on the Triumph.
Yeah.
I think I bought it for doing that. Yeah, it worked.
Yeah, I know mine's a little, like I can put the mini SD in it and then just plug it right into the computer.
I don't know what I got. Jeff hasn't showed me yet.
I just plugged it in, I put it on his helmet, hooked it up, and...
That's all you need to know, Ernie.
Yeah, I guess.
Turn it on, push the button.
Jeff?
Yeah. Oh, we got a truck pulling out.
What's that?
Oh, a truck just pulled out of the driveway here.
Oh,
Not coming at us, it's in front of us.
Yeah.
okay. Taking the trail?
Yeah, we'll only be on it for a very short distance.
I was just thinking, Jeff, I cleaned the air filter in this,
Yes?
and it was really dirty, and I'm wondering if it was just the bike running rich because of that my mileage was down.
That very well could be, yeah. Do you notice any difference in power or anything like that, or?
Not really. Well, this thing, it's never anything impressive for acceleration or anything like that, but it's just a solid puller.
Yeah, like a tractor, just pulls along.
Trail's in so good a shape, it almost makes it boring.
I'm wondering what they laid down here because I'm looking back and the dust seems okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure what kind of gravel they use here.
Almost like a silica or something.
Yeah. Well, the UTVs are on this section, so they probably something purpose, I guess.
Yeah.
Built. Oh, I just stalled it. A good thing you guys don't have a camera.
Good thing. Good ride.
So far, so good.
Yep.
Now it's coffee time. Just what you need on a hot day.